So I have a question regarding sa food topic ha. So can you provide an overview of the Philippine food safety framework in its key components?
As pagkakaroon, wala ko ko'y idea about how to safety framework. Kaya bakit ko ako
Sige din, thank you.
You're welcome.
So the next question, Tikay, can you share any recent updates or changes to the food safety regulations?
So far, wala ko ko'y idea about about food safety regulations.
Sige, thank you. We go.
What are the rules and responsibilities of various agencies involved in food safety in the Philippines?
To ensure the standards in the roles of food industry.
Okay.
What strategies are most effective in preventing and controlling food safety hazards?
Dapat kung magluto ka kay layo sa mga chemicals or like sunrocks or
Some first question kay what are some examples of chemical contaminants in food and what are their potential health impacts?
Bahay na isda, may nakapagsumbong, mayabo ang sumbong sa na kuan ang kasagulan ng isda, may nakahingan na nasakit ang tiyan sa
So, ang second question is how do physical contaminants get into food and what measures can be taken to prevent this?
kuan kung kaya ka ng ang pagkao o pagluto ka no magluto manaay ka ng buhok sa kuan mo na to lundan na ang makaon ka ng wag na kuan siya kay buhok ang buhato na to ani aron dili kuan ang atong pagkaon mag-helmet na tagay aron makuan ta sa pagluto na dili makananubok na tong pagluto.
Go.
Oh, basto. Example. Ngayong hapon, sir, may pangutana ka bahin sa safe food hunter. How important is personal hygiene in preventing foodborne illnesses? Pugulit kaya po sa pagkawan niya, sir, basta aron maligayat po lang pag-good poison sa mga motor ko kasi ma-prevent po lang kung sa yung mga tinda. Salamat.
Go.
So, natin follow-up question. What are the most common mistakes food hunters make and how can they be avoided?
Common mistake. Observe sa nga dili namang hinaw nga dili lang gaysa mo gan og glad daw nagkuha photo ana tas ang kon ko para ma-avoid maminaw men magsuot ang glad sinagkuhan.
Go.
Last question. How do business ensure that their food handlers are consistently following safe practices?
Proper hygiene, apply proper hygiene, proper hand washing, use alcohol and use sanitizer and especially always use gloves when you serve food.
Thank you.
Okay ba to?
Okay na to. Yeah.
What are the essential hygiene and health practices that safe food under most follow?
It is very essential that we must follow the practices, especially in food handling, kinahanglan, as we observe our personal hygiene every day, like gloves, like manghinaw, and then toothbrush, especially maligo. so that atong makita sa atong workplace o sa food handling nga hindo sad.
Go.
What are roles does ongoing education and training play in implementing food safety standards?
So as a student, my own perspective in education, it teach the student to ground, especially in food handling, the food safety, to teach the ideal way and the safety of the outcome.
Ma'am, the princess of Sirach. Few questions to ask you about the food safety, ma'am. So this is the first. What are the most effective methods for cleaning and sanitizing surface and equipment?
The effective way in cleaning is you have to use some powder soap and then use alcohol and wet tissue to clean. Also, some tissues you have to clean always
So this is the second question, ma'am. What types of cleaning agents and sanitizer are commonly used in the food industry?
Go.
So this is the second question, ma'am. What types of cleaning agents and sanitizers are commonly used in the food industry?
cleaning agents in food industry is some are detergents, soap, and alcohol, wet tissues, or kitchen tissues. Sometimes I use clean to clean the tables.
Okay, ma'am. So this is the last question, ma'am. Can you share any innovation or best practices in cleaning and sanitizing with the industry? Examples of innovation and best practices to avoid fun. Specific na tayo na. Gusto ko yung mga opinion, wala kayo na.
To avoid food poisoning like that. We need to maintain maintain cleanliness and always check the ingredients if it is not expired or like the banana, you use the banana, not the right. Yes. Number check the quality. Number 5 and 7 only you're going to cook.
Thank you, ma'am.
5 to 7.
People in the back.